Hello everyone, Malaika here, and I'm today with a DIY explosion box tutorial from A1 Crafts. Now to start with, let me show you what comes in this kit. It has got 4 pre-scored papers, some pattern papers, embellishments like stickers, MDF, doily, a ribbon here, bride and groom, and a heart. So let me get started. I'm taking this pre-scored paper, and this is how the scoring has been done. It has got 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Now to make this DIY explosion box, what we require is this cross here. So we need to get rid of this 4 corners, and I've already cut. Let me show you. So this is how it's going to be. Now what we need to do is, after we have cut the first 3 papers in this way, the pre-scored ones, we are going to take the pattern papers, and keeping a margin of 1/8 on all the 4 sides, we need to cut them according to the size of this pre-scored papers. The 4th, that is the smaller pre-scored paper, this is what we are going to do. Cut it one side and give an oblique cut on the other side. So this is what's going to happen on all the 4 sides. You're going to give a slit there, an oblique, slit and an oblique cut. Okay, the same here, and the same thing again. Take the pattern paper and keeping in mind 1/8 margin on all 4 sides, cut it.